Let's get straight into it. This is Nadula Hair Company. This is everything that came inside the pack. The headband, which would definitely help tie down the wig, a wig cap. It did come with a fluffy brush, another elastic band, and also a bonnet, lashes, and the cap. So this hair right here is a body wave, a dark auburn hair. This is a 24-inch. Very cute. I do like this style. This is how it looks on the inside. It has combs, the back lace, and the front. So first I do like to cut off the back lace just because I don't need it. In case I want to put it up in a ponytail, you can do so. But I like to go in with the lace tint spray just on this part right here because it is a middle part. Just making sure that the hair is fitted how I would like it to be, and now I'm going to use my Cantu wax just to lay down the front so it's a little bit more flatter. I did not have to do much to this hair because it was already in the style I would like for it to be. We're going in with the hot comb. This is my favorite tool to use. Have a very flat middle part or even side part, but today we're doing a middle part, but this will lay the middle very flat. The lace front is very small. You don't need too much, but I'm going in because I do want it to stay a little bit longer than usual. So I'm just using the Eben spray. Going in, adding a layer with the front. Since this hair was a body wave, I would want it to stay a body wave. I am using a wand curl to achieve that look. finished the rest of the curls off camera. I did also do the baby hairs. This is how they turned out. I went on top of them with the Eco Style gel. And just did regular baby hairs as I would before, but I did not pluck it because it did not need much plucking. And now I'm going on top of this just to flatten the top a little bit more. And this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.